How to remove Google Chrome background image. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Google Chrome background image. If you want to remove the background image from your Google Chrome, first of all you need to open your Google Chrome where you'd like to remove the background. Now once you have opened it, on this interface at the bottom right you will find the pencil icon. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon. And once you do so, at the right side you will find this page. Here you can see the current background image. Now from this page you need to click on this change theme. Once you click on it, you will be presented with this interface. From here, if you want to change to any of these, you can simply tap on it and you can select it. But if you want to remove your background image completely, then you can choose the default one. Click on this default Chrome option right here. And once you do so, you can see you have successfully removed the background from your Chrome browser. Now once you have selected the default Chrome, click on this cross button at the top. Now whenever you open the new tab, there won't be any background image. So by following the steps, you should be able to remove your Google Chrome background image. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.